explain. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I don't. I finesse down Western Road. Next.
That's what they have in the vending machine. I'm charging for $50. There's my car. That's my room right there. Yeah, security right there. We're up here in the I-17 in Northern. I'm on the second floor. Car. Room 201. Let's give you guys a room tour. Let me put my stuff down. So, you are with me. Make sure I'm good. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Rico. Got myself a little adjustment right here. Check out the fit. Dodgers cap, Apple Watch, Nike shirt, Air Maxes. But that's not what the video is about. The video is about room tour of my motel room. I keep it down at 4 o'clock in the morning. Here we go. We got a hair dryer, a little coffee thing. Get some coffee. We have some decaf, two decaf, 2 regular, some sugars and whatnot. Some teas. Of course, you got your cups. Then we have little baby lotion, conditioner, shampoos. I am staying at Quality Inn. That's what the room tour is. Quality Inn room tour. Got my clothes right here. Got this little contraption thing. And I got my cup. And here, let's get tired to take a shower. Toilet, restroom. It's a decent size. And don't mind the messy bed, but got the bed, my clothes, lotion, bag, running shoes for tomorrow morning. TV with cable on it. A mini fridge. I do have my drinking water right here. This is my rig water for my sesh. Got a microwave. Pretty cool. Some storage. A little safe. A lamp with a light and a plug-in. We have the desk. Room keys. Just bought these socks tonight. Got the little map and stuff they gave me, tell me free breakfast, my checkout time's 11, my pool hours, and the Wi-Fi. I did try to do my laundry right now when I came back, but I guess the laundry's not 24/7. It should be, but whatever. It's only open at 8 in the morning. Here's the door I walked through. My suitcase with my laptop. This was my laundry I had to do for work tomorrow. My work shoes. An alarm clock with a notepad, a phone. I could light this place up if I wanted to. Look at this. Let me see. What can I do? Place is lit up. But that is the room tour. I did get this room for about 50 bucks. I was gonna go cheaper for about $37 somewhere else, but these places I'm looking at, a lot of reviews are roaches and bed bugs and stuff, so I've not slept yet, but I will do a follow-up tomorrow morning with this. But I think I've got good reviews from this hotel, so that's why I picked this one for the decent price. And yeah, guys, so that's the room tour from Quality Inn. This is, I think, like a queen size bed, single bed, queen size, as you can see. And I guess it does a job, you know. For 50 bucks, you can't pass it up. Free Wi-Fi, so that's the best deal. It is pretty decent quality. It's not that fast, but it does the job. But yeah, guys, that is the room tour. See you guys in the next one. So far I've rode for 18 minutes and 23 seconds, 2.4 miles is where it is. Driving down this like irrigation neighborhoods. Very nice houses. Let's keep riding. Houses for sale. Very nice house. Very nice. This house is very futuristic. So here's some restaurant. I don't know what they are, but pretty nice looking. Lucy's drive-through. So that's the ride. I rode for 41 minutes and 55 seconds, 4.7 miles, pretty good. Drove pretty far, as you can see those little clips I did. Now I'm gonna park it back where I got it, which was over there. But first, I'm gonna do a review on this Lime bike, and then I'm gonna go into depth and start up on how to get this thing started. It is 6:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna go back to the hotel, get some breakfast, and then I'll call it a day. Just got done riding the Lime bike over there. Now time to head back to the motel, get some grub, take a shower, and then take a nap so I can DoorDash later before I work.